dropped a bolt in your engine bay. This tool finds it in 3 seconds flat. I can't work without this $8 magnetic pickup tool. This magnetic pickup tool is every mechanic's secret weapon. Never lose a bolt, screw, or metal part in tight spaces again. Extend up to 24 inches. Pick up metal parts in engine, base, undercar, and tight gaps. Strong rear earth magnet grip fits in your pocket. Use it anywhere. Want one comment magnet below and grab the link to buy now USA. This tool also used in turbines to pick up the bolt and other things. This amazing tool can bend easily and buy now. Link is in comment below.